Printed circuit board assembly, or PCB assembly, is the process of taking a bare board and transforming it into a fully functional electronic product. At Nitronica, we offer a complete PCB assembly service using advanced surface mount and through-hole technology. That means we can handle everything from small, complex components right through to larger high-performance boards. We support prototype builds, low-volume production, and high-volume manufacturing, all with the same focus on precision and quality. Our process includes automated optical inspection and, where applicable, customer-specific functional testing to ensure every board performs exactly as expected. So whether you're developing a new product or scaling an existing one, we provide a reliable, flexible PCB assembly solution that's built around your needs.